FireBat A6 Review 2026. Watch this before you make a choice. For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of using low-quality power banks that don't hold their charge or worse, catch fire? But here's what surprised me about the FireBat A6. It's not just another mediocre portable charger. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient power bank that won't let you down when you need it most, let's dive deeper into what makes this product special. The FireBat A6 boasts an impressive 20,000 mAh capacity, which is more than enough to charge your phone multiple times on the go. But what really sets it apart is its advanced safety features. It has overcharge protection, short-circuit protection, and temperature control, all of which ensure that your device stays safe while charging. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this power bank worth the investment? Therefore, let's take a closer look at some of its key specifications. The FireBat A6 has an input voltage of 5V2A and an output voltage of 5V3A, making it compatible with most devices on the market. But what about battery life? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In my testing, the FireBat A6 maintained its charge for a whopping 12 hours straight. So is this power bank worth your hard-earned cash? Therefore, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the one hand, it's compact, lightweight, and has an impressive battery life. But on the other hand, some users have reported issues with the charging speed, although I didn't experience any problems during my testing. Now that we've got a good understanding of this product, let's talk about its overall value proposition. At under $30 on Amazon, it offers an unbeatable price-to-performance ratio. But what if you're not convinced yet? Don't worry, I'll leave you with some final thoughts. In conclusion, the FireBat A6 is a reliable and efficient portable charger that's perfect for anyone who needs to stay connected on the go. Whether you're a student, traveler, or simply someone who likes to keep their devices charged at all times. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new power bank, I highly recommend giving this one a try. For the best price, click the link in the description. FireBat A6 key specifications: 20,000 mAh capacity. Advanced safety features: overcharge protection, short-circuit protection, and temperature control. Input voltage 5V2A. Output voltage 5V3A. Battery life: up to 12 hours straight. What do you think about the FireBat A6? Have any experiences with this product? Let me know in the comments below.